According to Wikipedia, a variable is an abstract storage location paired with an associated symbolic name which contains some known or unknown quantity of information referred to as a value, or in a simpler terms, a variable is a name container for a particular set of bits or types of data like integer, float, string, etc. Well, if you don't understand the variable definition, don't worry, I will break the definition with an example. Let's think you have a box where you want to keep some things like clothes, whereas variable is a box and you want to store some things like number, text, etc. Numbers and text are clothes. But if you think that you want to keep more kind of clothes like shirt, t-shirt and pant etc., you can store the clothes of types in a box. But at the same time, we can't store numbers and text on a single variable because the variable has a different types of data. For different types of data, computer sets different types of storage, but we can store numbers and text on an array variable. Variable data types of integer numbers, float numbers, boolean, string and arrays. An integer number is a whole number. In other words, the number hasn't a decimal point. A float number is a fractional number, whereas decimal point. Boolean is a true and false value. Simply, we can say yes or no. A string is a set of characters strung together. String can be a character, a word, and a sentence. An array is an essential list of information or variables. Let's say we have a list of 1 to 100 items, and now we need to store the item as a list. We have known variable data types, integer numbers, float numbers, boolean, string and arrays. So now we are going to have a deep understanding of the variable data types with examples. Integer number. Let's think again about the box example to understand the variable data types. Now the box is an integer number and the box stores whole numbers, negative whole numbers like 100 and -100. Float numbers. For float numbers, we can use the same box example. Box is now float number and it contains the decimal number, for example 2.22 and -5.66. Boolean. Now we know a boolean variable is a true and false condition value. Let's think of a condition when you open a YouTube, now saw the video and you had applied a condition. When you started the video to watch, that means your boolean is true, and if you don't click the video, that means the boolean is false. Array. A sentence is a list of a few words and a word is a list of few characters. In programming language, string variable store a letter, a word or a list of words. Let's begin with think of the box example. The box keeps clothes like shirt, t-shirt and pants. The box is now a string variable and the shirt, t-shirt is a character, bunch of t-shirt are words and the clothes are a sentence. Well, I will discuss a separate video of array variable. I don't want to long the video. Now, our attention is too short, so I am trying to make a video with a small duration. Important information. The programming language number starts at 0 and ends at the number 9. Now, if someone says, how many fingers have you? You can tell him, you have 4 fingers. If he says how, you will say, I counted at 0. Okay, it was the jokes part. Thank you for watching the video. At the end,